Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So today I'm going to be testing out and reviewing this lovely new leather oven glove that I've just received for my Transporter T5. Now this isn't no ordinary oven glove. You can see it's a leather one. You don't normally get leather oven gloves. It's got red stitching around the outside as well, which basically matches the A pillars and B pillars, which I've recently sprayed red. I needed it to be black to match the headliner that I've done as well. I was basically trying to look more colour coordinated when I removed the baking tray from my oven that I've got hanging out the back of my T5. This is exclusive for the T5 community only. If you've got a T6 or a Renault Traffic, or even a Ford Transit, you're gonna have to exit and move on. Like I say, for T5s only. So yeah, that's it. That is it really. That's all I've got to say. Right, anyway, I'm gonna be serious now because that's quite a long intro to actually have a laugh with. My neighbours probably think I'm into bondage and stuff for this, so I'm gonna have to take it off my arm, plus I'm sweating a bit, and actually tell you what I'm doing with it. So yeah, it's not an oven glove, it's actually a cover for my sun visors, which I've removed from the van already. If you want to see how they are removed, go back to my other video where I removed the headliner. I documented it inside of that video, so I'll put a link to that video as well. On a serious note, these covers are really high quality. I've got these from JF Customs. They are a leather, I'm going to keep calling them oven gloves now. I shouldn't have started this joke with them. Right, they are a leather sun visor cover with velcro. Now they're perfect for the lazy folk like me who do not want to do any stitching whatsoever to the sun visor. Now you can get ones which can be stitched on. They sell them as well. They probably do sell them for T6s as well, and the older Transporters, and even Ford Transits. Just message them. They've actually offered a 10% discount to all my subscribers. So if you like what you see here, once I've shown you how to fit them and put them back in the van, give these guys a shout. Just tell them the promo code that I've got. I'll leave that in the description and they will sort you out with a set. So yeah, really good quality. I wanted ones with red stitching around the outside because, like I said, they want to be able to match my chairs and also the other bits of red I got in here. And they're easier than putting your socks on in the morning. All you've got to do is get your sun visor and put it inside and then put the velcro on. Now there is a certain way they've got to go, because basically they will fit any way you put them, but you want to put them a certain way with the velcro, because otherwise the velcro is going to be on the show, and if you don't want it on the show, you've got to put it the other way. So I'll show you that in a minute. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, and if you've got any questions, leave them below, but keep watching and I'll show you exactly how they go on. So I've got the driver's side sun visor and I've basically got the cover. Now what I'm going to do with this is leave the velcro facing upwards, because this is the way I want it to go on. Now what I'm going to do is grab one side, slide that in to here, just making sure it's nice and tight. I'm going to fold that over like so. Just gently make my way all the way along. Okay, that's that bit, and then you've got on here, you've got a little bit of a velcro tab that comes through. Pull that nice and tight, push it down underneath like so, and then the same for this edge. Simple as that, and then just make sure it's on nice and tight, as you can see, and this one's ready to be fitted back on. A minute. can see there, look, it's come up really well. Right, time to refit it back up. So this is a finished product. It is so dark in here, and that is because obviously this black headliner, and it is getting a bit dark outside, but as you can see, the quality of these are really good. I'm happy with them for what they are. I mean, velcro sun visor covers, what more can you expect? I mean, it's easier than obviously stitching a set on. Like I say, JF Customs do ones which you can stitch on for those of you that want an even tighter finish. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I've got some really good things coming up in the van next. Couple new items which are being delivered, which I can't wait to show you. And yeah, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, and I will see you all again soon. Cheers.